Kaohsiung! Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. So today, we're here now in Panchao because we're going to Kaohsiung with my friends and we're going to attend the AAA concert. But before that, we're going to stroll around Kaohsiung. So nandito ako ngayon sa may Panchao train station because we're going to take the HSR going to Kaohsiung. So come with me and my friends as we stroll Kaohsiung. Let's go! Ayan. So as you can see, medyo madilim pa. So we're gonna go down at B1 to wait for them. So after 2 hours ng biyahe sa high-speed railway, nakarating na rin kami sa Kaohsiung. So right now we're going to take the MRT going to the, where are we going? Here, Formosa Boulevard. Hi friends, so we just got out of the MRT and now we're going to the Pier 2 for our first gala.
Liputin natin siya. Ayun, doon tayo sa kabila. Ang cute naman ito. Ang laki.
How nice.
Halika, dali.
Ang bata umiihi. Diretso siya sa ano. Oh. Hamasen Museum. Ticket is
Dapat gumagalaw-galaw din siya.
O, di ba? Problema mo, paano ka bababa? Sige, kaya mo yan. Tapos meron pang maleta. Wala lang, mga anik-anik lang. Ang cute. Laki na.
对啊，为什么？
你们吃大辣，人家我们台湾人没有吃那种大辣啊，拜托，对不对？
有辣的比较好吃啊。
对，小辣就可以了啊，对不对？对呀、你不要整瓶给我吃掉了呢，那我划不来呢。对不对？那是给人家调味一下，调味料就是调味一下，调味料是什么？马来西亚。菲律宾哦，哪里？
One gelato or one drink per person. 60 minutes.
Friday to sa alas 3, di naman natin maano yan. Dito pag-big, wonder na pa.
Let's see it. Parang lasang siya. Hindi na malapang.
Hi friends, so this is our second day here in Kaohsiung, and today we're going to go to Chijin Island to explore the area.
Ah.
Yes, are you ready for our cruise? Yay!
Punta tayo ng Mindoro.
Kala ko ba ayun?
Parang maganda sa harap, no? Pwede pa yan.
Parang wala na. Parang bigla ako nahilig. That is for 4 person. 2 hours for 700. 1 hour is 400. But we rented it for 3 hours para hindi kami masyado nagmamadali, which is 1,000 NT. Okay, Kai, practice first. Go, Kai.
Wala ko kayo This one, tapos reverse.
Akala ko ba naka-reverse?
Oo nga. Pag tinaas mo. Pag tinaas.
Okay, sige, game. Bye-bye!
Oh my God.
Wait lang, may motor. Sige, game na. Wait lang.
Sakto lang palang 3 hours ka na dito. Umalis ka na.
Pag ganun tayo, di ba? Ang bilis mo, Kai. Uy, balik ka. Okay, go, Kai.
Wala na.
Girls, wait lang. Pray first in the name of the Father.
Oh my God.
Hindi naman, kahit parang hindi na tayo magpalitan, kahit kasi automatic naman siya.
Automatic na. Kinakabahan na rin kayo. Automatic na kinakanabahan na din kayo. Hi guys!
Ito, kanan. Wait lang. Ayan, may mga parking. Yay! Nakarating tayo sa ating first. Ayan dyan lang.
Ayun, nandyan na lang.
Sige nga, singitan mo yan. Okay. Yay! Galing! Nakarating kami! Walang explanation. Ano mo muna kay? Forward ka muna. Up! Dahan-dahan lang.
Ba't ba ako nandito?
Wait lang, wait lang.
Buhatin ko na lang! Buhatin ko na lang! Ay, hindi mo bigis na lang.
Yung galing! Na ano, na reverse.
Naipit pa ako. Nasagasaan.
Ayan pala yung ano, yung harbor. Ay, yung ano ba yan tawag dyan? But it's closed. Wow.
Marunong ka pala eh. Kaya nga.
Baka kasi dito, tatakot ako.
Parang maganda rito kapag hapon.
Karamihan naman dito, maganda pag hapon.
Hindi nyo na-try pag ano yung summer di. Balik na lang pag ano.
I know, Rainbow Arc.
Balik na rin. Malawak na yung hindi ni Kara. Ginagawa na sila salamin.
Oo. Nakakaano mo pa man? Ano yan? 第41这是10、8、7、46 Yes! Ayan na, ilabas mo na Google Translate mo. Yan.
Now arriving, Love Pier.
元宵节灯会的主灯，点灯的时候取名为敖龙响，灯会结束就留在这里了，变成爱河的地标喽。And right over here on my left hand side, you can see a statue with the lights over there. That statue is the dragon head. And also the bridge in front of us. This is the last bridge on Love River. It is called a light road using bridge. It separates Love River with the Kaohsiung port. And because our gondola boat was small, tiny and slow, so we didn't have a license to go all the way enter to the Kaohsiung port. That's why we took a U-turn after we go through this bridge and we will head back.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive.
Oo. Diyan sa magilid-gilid.
好的表演与前进的动力。谢谢打赏 ，Thank you， 爱你爱你，啾咪啾咪。
Hi friends! So, what a nice way to end our evening here in Kaohsiung. So, this is our last night and tomorrow is our last day and we're going back to Taipei. So, for now, good night muna. We have to go back to the hotel and take a rest. See you! Hi friends! So, this is our third day and last day here sa Kaohsiung. So, later, we're going back to Taipei. But before that, we're going to visit the Lotus Pond. This is our last itinerary for our 3 days trip here sa Kaohsiung.
Nagpipicture. Okay, nakalabas din sa loob ng tiyan. Nasa pet na kami ng dragon.
So, they're going there. Hindi na ako sumama, friends, kasi ang init. So, maybe it's around 24 or 25 degrees here now sa Kaohsiung. That's our 3 days Kaohsiung trip here, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo, and if ever na may time kayo, I invite you to come to Kaohsiung and experience the beautiful place also. So, thank you guys for coming with us, and I hope you can join us on our next trip. This is Jaja Yang and my friends from Taiwan. We love